Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation about innovative active ingredients. So let me first introduce myself. I'm Laurence Pierce, Product Manager at Sentient Cosmetic Technologies. I will present you today how Sentient developed some active ingredients from crop to skincare products. During this presentation, feel free to ask any question you may have in the chat, or you can ask questions at the end in the Q&A section. So Sentient developed active ingredients following these 4 pillars. So the biomass selection, a specific, sustainable and patented process, the evaluation of the active ingredients, and finally the formulation. So for the biomass selection, we make sure to be close to supplier. We better trust supplier that have certification, and we look at the biomass quality. So our suppliers are people that we know well, so I'm in direct contact with them. And we know their working conditions, and we know how they work to make the better quality of biomass. We follow different kinds of certification. So for example, we trust the Rainforest Alliance certification that supports farmers in turning their farm into profitable, resilient businesses that respect workers and the land. And we also trust Fair for Life certification, which is a certification that ensures fair trade and sustainable conditions. So here is an overview of our range. All our products are Cosmos certified, and our biomasses come from Kenya, Ecuador, Uganda, and you see that we follow some certification. For example, we have a green tea that is Rainforest Alliance certified, and we have rosemary and cocoa that are Fair for Life certified. And also we look at the composition of our biomass. Depending of where the biomass comes from, we saw that the chemical content is very different. So for example, an extract, a green tea coming from China or coming from different parts of Africa will have a different chemical content. And we look at the chemical content of these different biomasses, and we pick up the one from Kenya that had the better chemical content. The second part of the presentation is the PhytoClean process. I'm just checking. Yeah. Okay. So the PhytoClean process is a process based on subcritical water. It's clean and it's allowed to have a very high yield. So subcritical water is water that is at higher pressure than atmospheric pressure and higher temperature than 100 degrees Celsius. In this stage, the water remains liquid, but will have different property and will behave like some organic solvents. And the molecules that are extracted are not damaged because the process is faster than a classic liquid extraction. So here you can see that playing on temperature, the water will behave like different solvents. For example, if we look at the first blue bar, it's the PhytoClean at 130 degrees Celsius. And at this temperature, the water will behave like ethanol and will extract the same chemical content as ethanol at 70%. And then if we increase the temperature, for example, at 200 degrees Celsius, the water will behave more like acetone. And playing on this temperature and these specific conditions, the phytoclean creates a unique composition of active molecules. So how it's working, basically, it's like when you're making your coffee in the morning, the water is going through the coffee at high pressure and temperature in a capsule, and then you recover very quickly a coffee extract. And basically, it's the same with the phytoclean process, but it's with large extraction columns that you can see on the picture. So basically, we load the biomass in those extraction columns, and then the water is going through the biomass at high pressure and temperature. We recover from this liquid, and this liquid is then going in this evaporator. And this evaporator is able to concentrate this liquid into a sort of paste. And then we put this paste on a dryer. And at the end, we recover some flakes that are grinded to obtain a powder, which is our active ingredient. So what is specific with this process? First, it's a mono extraction. We don't need to extract several times to get all the chemical content that we wanted to extract. Second, there is no grinding step before the extraction. And third, there is a very high yield, which allows to reduce the quantity of biomass to use at the beginning to produce our finished product. So here you can see an example. To make 1 gram of NatPure Extra Longevity, we need 4 grams of dry green tea leaves, which is a very high yield of 25%. Then how we evaluate the performances of our extracts. So we look at results of both in vitro and in vivo evaluations. The first step is to do a screening on DNA chips. So the genetic expressions of major skin genes were analyzed in presence and absence of the active ingredient. And then, so we choose the best one for the step 2, which is the in vitro evaluation. And here it's a quantitative immunofluorescence staining that was done to follow the expression of skill cells marker. And the third step is the in vivo evaluation, where we're doing an evaluation of a skincare formulation containing NatPure Extra on a panel. So these active ingredients answer to the market need. So what's the tomorrow's market need for active ingredients? More and more brands want to reduce the INCI list size and also to have some active ingredients that have several claims. And as we have active ingredients that have a broad range of active molecules, we will be able to target several biological pathways. So here's an example with NatPure Extra Eternity. It contains multiple antioxidant molecules, and those compounds strengthen the cutaneous defenses against UV oxidative stress, which is a major cause of skin aging. And the active ingredient will have a complete anti-aging action that we prove on 2 different biological pathways. Regarding the formulation, so those are really specific active ingredients, and the chemical content is really specific. So it's important to work on the solubility. The solubility will depend on the active ingredient composition. Most of the time, these ingredients are dissolved in glycerine and are then diluted in an aqueous phase. And we can use heat to help the dissolution. So you see that on the left, at room temperature, it may be a bit difficult sometimes to have a complete dissolution. But when we heat at 70 degrees Celsius, we have a very good solubility of the active ingredients into the glycerol. We see more and more colored skincare on the market. So what we observe is a decrease of the packaging color, but an increase of the product color, because the product color is associated with natural ingredients, and the brown color is is associated to healthy product. And for this reason, we developed some application formula that are colored. So for example, a chocolate mousse containing cocoa, chocolate body wrap, so some tea tonic lotions that you can see on this picture. But we are not obliged to make color formulations. It's also possible to make some white skincare. Here is an example with a restorative night cream. So it's a cream, an anti-aging cream that contains 0.1% of Nature Extra Eternity. And so because we have a low concentration and a very good solubility in this formulation, we were able to make white skincare. So this is a reminder of our range. So we have today four different active ingredients developed with this clean process based on subcritical water. And we have different claims, so antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-pollution, and anti-aging. And Sentient also offer customized project. So if you have a specific biomass or a specific claim that you are targeting, we can make a customized project and do the extraction of the biomass that you want to extract. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Let me know if you have any question. You can ask a question on the chat right now. So all the products are Cosmos. There is a question about the Hansen solubility parameter test. I'm not sure we are doing this test in particular, but I will need to check with our R&D team to make sure if we have done it or not. Is there any other question? Okay, so thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Feel free to reach our contact at Prodotto Tijani or Sentient if you have any question, and we will be able to give you more details on any question you may have.